In today's video, you will learn how to resolve the PayPal money is waiting for you issue. If you recently received a message in PayPal saying that money is waiting for you, don't worry because this is actually a very common situation. In most cases, this happens for security reasons, and PayPal simply wants you to confirm that the payment is legitimate before the money is added to your balance. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do to resolve the issue safely and correctly. Once you sign into your PayPal account, you'll arrive at the main account dashboard where you can view your balance, recent activity, payment requests, linked cards, and other account information. If someone has sent you money and the payment is pending, you may notice a notification saying that money is waiting for you. Usually, there will also be an option to accept the payment manually. If the message appears directly inside your official PayPal account, go ahead and select the option to accept the money. This is a normal verification process, and it's designed to protect both the sender and the receiver from unauthorized transactions. In many cases, accepting the payment is all you need to do. After selecting the Accept option, PayPal may ask you to confirm some additional information. For example, you could be asked to verify a phone number or confirm account details to make sure you are the intended recipient of the payment. Simply complete the requested verification steps carefully and continue through the prompts. Once the information is confirmed and saved, the payment should be processed and added to your PayPal balance or connected bank account, depending on your account settings. Sometimes it can take a short amount of time for the transfer to fully complete, so keep that in mind if the funds do not appear instantly. Now, there is one very important thing you need to remember. If you receive an email claiming that money is waiting for you, but you do not see the same notification inside your actual PayPal account, do not interact with that email. Avoid clicking links or entering personal information, because fake payment emails are commonly used in phishing scams. Always verify the payment directly through your official PayPal account. If the notification only exists in the email and nowhere else, it is most likely fraudulent and should be reported or deleted immediately. That's basically all you need to know to resolve the PayPal money waiting issue safely and avoid common scams at the same time. Hopefully this helped you out, and thanks for watching.